What's up, y'all? Robert Knapp here, man. All right. Well, I'm start off a little bit by myself, man. Born and raised in Akron, married, 4 kids. I'm an independent provider right now. Um, Transport. So all I do is drive. I've been to school. I got a 2-year associate's degree in business management, and that's kind of a little bit of why that I joined this company because of the business format that it has. It's a home-based business. And I know the whole thing as far as the write-offs that you could do. And I learned a few things, that this company has taught me. It has some products that I've been posting on my website, on my Facebook page. I can show y'all real quick. So I got some nice products. You don't have to be a marketing director with MyEcon to use these products. You could use them just going through my link. You save money. You learn a lot, man. I do want to tell y'all about the company. Um, they were founded in 2005 by a group of entrepreneurs based off in Gwinnett County, Georgia, Atlanta, basically. And it says that this company operates in a multi-billion-dollar direct sales industry. Okay, and it's whew, I can't. It's like I get a little overexcited about it. I've been in marketing direct network marketing for almost a year. And it's fairly new to me, but I'm game. I'm enjoying it. Um, it's a business that I love to do. I love to help people, um, and make money, obviously. But this has a residual. This helps you in the long run. You're able to invest in yourself. Nothing beats that. This empowers you. This teaches you. This helps you. And then not only does the company help you, you have a team of people, thousands of people that are there to help because when they help you, they are helping themselves. Just like when you get into the company and you get in position, to where you have downline, and when they have any questions, you're so willing to help because helping them is going to help you. Every time they sign someone up, you get paid, you get some money. You know what I'm saying? I could quickly try to show y'all this real quick. I was gonna play this whole video, man. This video like 17 minutes long. Y'all can watch it when you sign up, but I'm gonna just leave it right here on this spot right here that y'all see. Okay, so this is you. Before you was this says EVP, it's MD, Marketing Director. But when you sign up A and B, which is just two people, you rank up to Executive Vice President. And when you sign that third person up, that begins your base shop. You get $35 for that person. You get 10 for these two. I forgot to tell you that. You get 10 for that one, 10 for that one when they sign up. You sign your third one, you get 35 for that one. Then you get $25 for each MD that you sign up for infinity. You see that word? Infinity. And it doubles. When the 2, 4, 8, boom, boom, boom. Then you get another EV, is a marketing director, but they rank up to EVP, you get another one. So that's C and D is yours, like your personal MDs, EVPs, and they go to your generation. As you building side wide, rather than what they say, and you help them build deep. I've even seen a video on a team group. It's a guy that's basically he get a lot of people coming in that want to sign up. He's able to have them sign up under the people that's on his downline. They don't sign up under his link. They sign up under their link. So they rank up faster and they're able, and that's helping him out. Still, he still gets to get a check and stuff from that. Like that's a beautiful thing. And that's just one part of making money with MyEcon. The other part is the longevity part. Because you're never gonna get rich overnight. If you do, you hit the lottery or you was gambling or lucked up some inheritance. But as far as a business, it's going to take time. It may take a little bit of money, but when you put your all into it, success is inevitable. Okay. What else I want to show y'all? I think that's about it. I showed y'all the group. Well, I'll show y'all the group again. If I didn't, I don't know. I can't remember. But it's just, this is showing people coming in an hour. Welcome to the family. Welcome to the team. Him and his wife joined. That was yesterday. People ranking up an hour ago. You know, like, so, I mean, it's fairly easy, man. And then the thing is you teaching yourself how to do, I'm going to get to this real quick. You teaching yourself how to do your own taxes. You know, a lot of people don't even know that the W-4 form, when you change it, you can bring in $200 to $600 extra in your home a month. You use that money to clear your debt. You know, if you have a car note, if you have a mortgage, some credit cards, you know, medical bills, all this stuff on your debt, and you just like, whatever, they just gonna have to wait. But you put this extra money in, so you get $200 extra. You can add that to that $500 monthly payment on your car. I mean, if it's that much or not, I don't know. But now that's $700. You didn't chop that down from it being 3 years to a year and a half that you're gonna be done with that car note. So that's now about to be an extra $700 after you're done with that car note to pay on the mortgage or pay on the credit cards. Okay? And that's just what they teach you. They teach you that. They have software to help you, you know, to empower you. That's what, to me, that's what it means to empower someone. You give them these tools, you give them this access, and you know, to where you're able to think of it every day and maintain every day and be consistent and see results. That's why I joined too, because I want to better my future for my family. You know, I want to have way more time with them. I do not want to keep working 40 plus hours a week, tired, joints hurt, back hurt, everything hurt. I'm irritable, and I have no time for them. They sitting there like, dang, you know. But with this company, and after a few months to maybe a few years of putting in some real good hard work and helping out a lot of people, I'm going to be able to have more time with my family, you know, take care of myself a little better than what I have been lately, you know. And I'm here to do this with y'all, you know. So if y'all are serious, y'all ready to change y'all's lives, y'all ready to work from home, work from your smartphone. I'm at my computer right now. You know, it's real easy and simple, man. And this stuff is, it's almost like it sells itself. You know, once people see it and they see what it does for them, I mean, you already do it. You already go live, talk to people on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. You know, you're already social media networking. So why not get paid to do it? And then while you're helping people, you know, it's not like you just selling stuff or just give me your money. No. You know what I'm saying? Your money is going to something that's helping you out and benefiting your family, teaching you stuff you ain't never knew. I didn't even know for almost 2 years now that I have been one of the people that when I fill out the W-9 or the W-4 form, I say that I am exempt. I was never exempt until these last couple of years. When I became an independent provider for the county or the state, whatever, the taxes, I am responsible for that. When you don't have your taxes being taken out every time you get paid, you are exempt. When you have your taxes getting taken out every time, you are not exempt. If you didn't know that, MyEcon will help teach you things like that. And it's right there. That's what I'm showing you. This screen right here in front of y'all. It has all the stuff in this right here, Document Center. This is some other things you can use. The Training Center got a lot of videos. You know what I'm saying? You can go MyEcon Live when they do their thing. Got mobile apps. Like it's all right here. You know what I'm saying? And then on top of that, if y'all really don't think it's real, whatever, I had to fill out my own W-9 form for this company right here. W-9 form. It's already done and completed. So any money that I'm getting, it's already, I'm good. See that? You know what I'm saying? So this is a legit company. It's all about how you know you could talk to people and help them to be able to shift their income into positive passive income, residual income, and keep on spreading the word, helping other people out. Okay? So for me to know that you are very serious, I need y'all to do 3 things for me. Okay? I need y'all to share this video. Okay? I need y'all to like this video and comment, send me the link, or just send link. Do those three things. When you do those three things, I'll know that you are very serious, that you are able to pay attention and watch videos all the way through, because the network marketing, that's how it is. Because the many of people that you're going to deal with, you're not going to be able to talk to each and every one of them individually. You're going to have a lot of videos that you have to watch, a lot of more than watch than read. But so that'll let me know if you are able to do those three things. Then that'll let me know that you are capable of doing this business, and follow directions. So do those three things, y'all, and let's get to it. All right. Hope to see y'all on the other side.